Hello everyone, welcome to another session of Django tutorial with DivKLearner. So today we'll be talking about a topic which is called link another page with post ID. So in which we'll be creating another page, might be a detail page in which we'll be passing the post ID. So let's just very quickly go there. In order to do this particular demo, what are we going to do is we are going to create a new demo with the name of the HTML that you want to create. So I created my own, then updated the home view to have a href and post ID. So we are updating the home page so that we can connect it through an href to the page that you have created in, or the template that you have created in the first step, which is create new template. Then once you have done this, you update the view to have a link or to support the first the new template that you have created, and then you update the URL file to make the changes so that you come to the right page, and then what you do is you run it on the server. So very quickly I'll take you through that example that I've created. So as we were talking about in the slide as well, the first step is to create a template. So what I've done is, the first thing is I created a new template called employees detail. So if you see in the employees detail, I'm giving the employee's first name and the last name on the top as a bold one, and then I'm writing down the phone number, date of joining, and date of birth in different kind of a format that I want. So this is where I have created the employees detail, and I've created a link for on it as well, where it will be going and taking me to the employees page. Then I made one more change in the all employees page. From the last one, I made some changes in the th. I reduced the th, in fact, to just 3, and then I created 3 th in which I was showing you the employee ID and then a link to view the details. So details, and then employees, and I'm passing an ID of the employee, and I'm showing you the text as employee details. So once this has been done, these two views has been updated. To support this action, I'll be going into the view and I'm creating a different a function which is saying about the employee's ID, employee's detail, and it is taking a parameter of ID along with the request. Then on the basis of that ID, I'm fetching the information of the employee. So this can be just single employee as well, and then I'll be sending the single employee. So this is employee, and then we are saying that once you have that value, we'll be putting everything on the employees detail page. Then this would be the context in which we'll be passing the object that we have here to X, and then we'll be returning it with the context and request. And this will go into the employees detail page. It will get X, and from the X it will get all the other values as well. Now we have created the template, we have updated the two views that we have, one for the employees detail and the other one is for all employees. Now the next thing is we'll be updating the URL. So for URL, this is what I've written. The path is my demo1 employees details, so that's the one. Int ID and view employees detail, name is equal to employees details. So having updated this in the URL pattern, it will go into the details. It will go into the view called details, and from here it will take the ID, take out the employee's information, and this is the page that it would be calling. It would be calling employees details.html and giving you the information the same way, in the way that we have decided to show it in the details view. So once we run this, after doing all the two steps, we have to go to the terminal and then write down the method which says py manage.py run server. So once you do that, you can able to see this kind of a page where I've written on demo1, and you're seeing all the employees' first name, last name, and detail, And when I click on the employees, you can see here when I keep the mouse, you will see a pop-up coming here. So in the pop-up it says demo 1 employees detail 1. So when I click on it, it comes to this page and gives me the information of that employee. I can click here to go back, and then the next one, then the next one, and then the next one. The only difference that I see is when I go to this page, it says employees, but I'm getting an employee here. So very quickly, I'll go here and all employees. So I just add an S here. I don't have to read on it. When I refresh it, I'll see my changes. So with that, I come to the end of today's topic as well. So I thank you for listening and learning with me. I hope we have moved a bit forward in our learning. To contact me, write in YouTube comments or email to divklearner@gmail.com. Once again, all the best. Bye bye.